What is up, my damn peeps? Welcome back to a video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a thumbnail on iPhone / iPad. So first of all, what you want to do is go over to App Store. Then once you're in App Store, you go over to the search. Then you go over to and you type up thumbnail maker. Then it's this one. Get that, then open it. Then you can thumbnail maker. You can add a picture, any picture you want. So say you wanted to add this picture, you can add it. Then you can make a text saying tour of my house.
Done. 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 Can you bring that through?
Then you can do that. Then you can make the colour different, so you can make it like this. Like that. Then you can add like Facebook. You can add recording. You can add anything. Then you can go over to here,
Right, kids.
and you can pick the other one. Say you wanted to pick that, don't know why. Cut out, wait, oops. You can do that. Then you can make shapes. So if you wanted to do this, make that the other way. Then you just keep on doing this. Then it's like that. If you do that, then you can make it like this, that. I kind of like this one. Then you can add colours, so you can do that. Then you can add loads of them. I'm going to turn that down, put that up, that. Oh, wait. That. And if you wanted to, you can add that, but I don't like that one. Add like a wee bit, like one. Yeah. Sometimes I just put 0 because it's better, and you can make it like that. Then if you want, so that's pretty much it done. So you, one it. Stay. Then if you want, you go back. What? There it is. Then you go over to YouTube. Just wait for it to load. You press on that. Then you go on to YouTube Studio. Wow. Then you go down to videos, more. Then you press on a video what you want. Just press on that like that. Then you can press the customize button. Then you press download thumbnail. You can change it. Change that. Sometimes it doesn't always work. See, this one's not added, so yeah. Then press save. Save and changes. Then edit saved. Go onto YouTube. Type up Daniel Napier. It might not be there because sometimes you have to give it a wee bit to run. So if you go down, let's see if I can find it. See, I don't think it's actually worked. Oh yeah, it has. So as you can see there. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video.